Lochana.
Lochana.
So my name is Tanya Masamu. I'm a debate activist. So now I saw they were showing the thing regarding according to our religions. If it was I saw you only got one. It's something only one or you commission only one. So now I just want to know how come you don't have Isindebele drama and Isiswati drama? Because Mpumalanga is a place of Amaswati, Namandebele. But yet as a public broadcaster, you don't commission those dramas for Isiswati and Isindebele. And again, Isindebele and Isiswati news, they only come on at 5:30. Why don't they exchange with Isiswati and not Isiswati, Isixhosa and Isizulu as well? At 7 and on Saturdays. During the day, I mean at 1, and on Saturdays and Sundays as well. Why can't they come in?